Hey everyone, Coach Steph here. I just wanted you guys know that we're going to get started on some local motor skills as well as some object control skills. So in a bit we're going to get started on a warm-up, which we're going to be incorporating our local motor skills. So don't forget to go grab a water if you need water, and let's get started. Hey everyone, so real quick I want to go over what we need to know for our warm-up. So right now, don't follow along, I just want you all to see what we're going to do in a bit. So we're going to start off with a walk. Just going to show you guys how a walk looks like. I know we all know how it looks like, but let's just go over it together. After walking, what we're going to do is skip. And for skipping, it's kind of like high knees, but moving forward. We're going to be switching legs each time we skip, so it's going to look something like this. Try to get the knees high. Alright, so that is a skip. After our skipping, we're going to do galloping. We're going to gallop like a horse. So the important part to notice about galloping is that we're going to keep one foot in front of the other the whole time. So keep your right foot in front of your left foot the whole time that we do this. It's going to look something like this. Alright, after galloping, what we're going to do is we're going to do sliding. We're going to go slide to side. Slide, slide. Alright, and after sliding, we're going to do backwards walking. And the important part about backwards walking is that we're going to constantly have our face looking to the side, making sure no one pops up behind us. So let's go ahead and just watch me do that for a second. Notice how I'm always looking behind me to make sure that I'm not going to bump into somebody or no one shows up out of nowhere. If you guys don't want to walk backwards, no problem. Go ahead and just walk regularly, facing forward. Try to increase the speed. Alright, and that's what we're going to do for our warm-up. So get ready because we're about to get... Alright everyone, let's get warmed up. We're going to do some locomotor moves. We're going to do walking, skipping, galloping, sliding, backwards walking, and we'll get that done all together. We're going to do about 45 seconds of each one. So let's get started. I'm going to do it with you guys, so let's go. Let's start with walking. Let's walk around. Walk, walk, walk to my loo. Walk, walk, walk to my loo. Walk, walk, walk to my loo. Walk to my loo. Walk. Continue walking. We have a few more seconds. Alright, we're almost done with walking. Let's see if we can get one full more lap before we finish. Alright, let's get some skipping done. When we skip, we want to alternate feet. Knees high. If you're having a hard time with this one, just remember, switch knees. Almost like high knees, but move forward. A few more seconds of this. You got it, keep it going. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and gallop like a horse. When we gallop like a horse, we keep one foot in front of the other the whole time. So let's try to keep our right foot in front of our left the whole time. This is how a gallop looks like. Pretend you're a horse. A few more seconds. Remember, one foot in front of the other. We are not switching feet. All right, after that we're gonna do some slide, slide like this. Slide. 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 A few more seconds of this. Go slower if you have to. If you got it, go a little bit faster. Perfect. Now we're going to continue walking. We're going to try to do some back walking. What's important when we do back walking is that we're constantly looking behind us. I don't want you guys to just walk back without looking behind you guys. If you guys don't want to do back walks, go ahead and just walk straight or walk facing forward. So let's go ahead and get started. Constantly looking back. Constantly looking back. And now we're going to walk forward, walk straight. We'll do a few more seconds of this. I hope you guys feel warmed up. We're going to walk for a few more seconds. Walk, walk, walk to my loop. Walk, walk, walk to my loop. Walk, walk, walk to my loop. Walk to my loop, my darling. Alright, good job everyone. We're going to call that our warm-up. And we're going to get started on some stretches. Alright, so let's get started on our stretches. Go ahead and reach for the sky. We're going to do this for
We're reaching for the sky right now.
Or follow along with me. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. Alright, now we're going to reach for our toes. Can we reach for our toes? Let's go ahead and try to reach for our toes. Try not to bend your knees. Ready? 1, 2.
We're reaching for our toes
4,
right now.
5,
If you need to
6,
slightly bend your knees,
7,
go ahead and
8,
slightly bend them.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, get one foot out. I'm going to take out my right foot and I'm going to reach for
Now
my
we're
right
reaching to
toe.
our right side.
Ready? Begin.
Please
1,
ignore the blanket
2,
drying in the back.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
It didn't
10,
fit in the dryer.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Switching
Alright.
feet. Now we're going to go reach for our left foot. Ready?
We're
Begin.
switching sides to our left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, now we're going to do some balancing. If you guys have a hard time balancing like I do, go ahead and grab a pole, grab something, a chair near you, and let's get started. We're going to lift up our right foot and hold it up with our left.
Right foot to left hand.
This is going to be stretching out our hamstrings as well as some of our calf. I hope you guys are feeling it. Alright, a few more seconds. If you guys think you got it, try to not hold on to anything. Put your hands to the side. Alright, switching legs now. Are you guys feeling the stretch? Try to let go if you guys can. A few more seconds. Come on, you guys got this. Alright. In 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Great job, everyone. That was our little light stretches. If you guys want to go ahead and stretch some more, pause this video and do whatever stretch you would like to do. Don't forget to unpause, and I'll see you in a bit. The next activity that we will be doing is a modified version of golf. What we need is a basket or a empty box, an implement that we can use as a golf club. I will be using an umbrella, but I could also use a large soda can, bottle I mean, and we could also use a broom.
For modified balls, I'm going to be using a rolled up sock, a tied towel, a stuffed animal, a tennis ball, and a water bottle. If you have plenty of water bottles, go ahead and use those. If you have plenty of rolled up socks, go ahead and use those. If you have plenty of balls, go ahead and use those. I'm just giving you guys options of what you could use. And let me go ahead and get started on explaining the rules.
Alright everyone, let's get started for our modified version of golf at home. So the important part, after you find your implement, I'm using an umbrella. Can everyone raise their dominant hand, the hand they write with? I write with my right hand, so go ahead and raise your hand, the hand you write with. Alright, perfect. I want you guys to place the hand that you write with on the holding area. And I want your other hand, the non-dominant hand, the hand you do not write with, right on top. So we're going to remember this form, and we're going to go ahead and get started on playing our modified version of golf. As you can see,
You can't hear me very well in this part of the video, but all I'm saying is to remember to use your dominant hand, the hand that you write with, on the bottom, and your non-dominant hand on the top. If you find this to be too challenging, you can go ahead and get a smaller instrument or just kind of duck down, or even move your dominant hand lower onto the implement, not instrument. As you can see, I was having a hard time with the water bottle. However, it's still manageable. It might be easier if you have a cardboard box, because as you can see, this basket had an edge, and the edge was kind of hard to get the objects on top.
And then to go from a long distance. No! Okay, we'll let that one go. Alright, almost there. There you go. And that's how you do your modified version of golf. Remember, the important part is to put the hand you write with on the bottom, and the non-dominant hand, the hand you do not write with, on top. So I hope you guys have fun, and go ahead and repeat this as many times as you want. Thank you.
Also, I want to show you guys a little modification that I did, is that I spread out all the balls that I have, and I made the target a little bit farther. You can directly try to aim the ball to the target. However, if you miss or you find that too difficult, go ahead and dribble it in there. Also, if you don't want to use this implement and you find it too difficult to use it, go ahead and use your feet, almost as if we're playing soccer. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and get the item, and I'm going to walk it in. So go ahead and give that a try. If you find using the implement like the broom or the umbrella is too difficult, or you just want to try something new, go ahead and give that a try. And yeah, I hope you guys are having fun with this activity. Remember, don't give up. If the ball goes far, go ahead and grab that ball. And it's all about having fun. Enjoy. So now, as you can see, we're going to be doing something very similar to our warm-up, except we're going to do this as our cool down. We're going to be walking right now, and just follow along.
Walk to my loo, walk to my loo, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Now we're gonna gallop like a horse. You guys know what sound a horse makes? I will not say it because I don't know how to make that sound. Remember, let's gallop. We're gonna keep one foot in front of the other. After galloping, we're gonna do a slide. 3 more seconds. Now slide. Slide.
Now we're moving on to sliding.
Slide. We're almost done, and you guys are getting a little tired. Now walk.
Now walking.
Walk.
I know at this point of the video it's kind of hard to hear, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. I just want to thank everyone for following along with my video. I know it was a little bit challenging, but remember, make it manageable for all of you. If you need to customize something, go ahead, do that. Again, I just want to thank you all for following along. I hope you guys are doing great.
Alright, everyone. That was the end
And
of
good
this
job on
video.
completing this
Hope you guys
video.
all had
Have a great
fun,
day,
and
everyone.
I'll see you guys on my next video.